As the trooper went to detain Anderson, he resisted, running northbound on Highway 51. A Good Samaritan saw Anderson running and attempted to help the trooper. But Anderson jumped into that man's truck trying to get away. The owner of the truck was able to stop Anderson from getting too far. Eventually, the trooper caught up to Anderson and after a short scuffle, arrested him.
What's going on, mother truckers? I do not know how I feel about this one right here. Basically, a mother trucker himself was out there in Tennessee and he was at a red light and he sees this highway patrol pulling over someone and this guy gets out and starts running. So what does this truck driver do? He gets out of his truck, he hits the parking brakes. Good for you on that one. But then he runs after the guy as well and tries to help the highway patrol officer. Well, at that moment, this guy runs around and actually jumps into his semi truck and steals it. So, my question to you guys, have you ever did something that you thought was going to be a great idea or you were trying to be a good Samaritan, but it really screwed you? You know, I don't know how to feel about this one. I know this mother trucker was trying to do the right thing, but you know, he got his truck stolen and what was it, like 20 miles down the road, the guy wrecked his truck on the side of the road. Uh, what would you
So
have done with this?
he knew how to drive a truck?
Well, it must have been an automatic, but
Well, you used to drive an automatic.
no, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
You didn't?
No,
I always thought you did.
man, shit,
Someone's offended.
shit.
I just thought you did.
You don't remember?
Mm-mm.
I be riding gears, or you be riding gears. Yeah, baby.
You are such a dork. Oh my god.
But no, my truck was not automatic. Okay, I'm just saying that now. My truck was not automatic. It was a Super 10. Some people call it a 13 speed. All right, but I mean, mother truckers, comment down below. What are your thoughts about this? You know, the mother trucker was trying to be a good Samaritan, but at the end of the day, he got his truck stolen, and he damaged his truck. What would have you done, like if you saw that a cop was struggling, trying to arrest someone, and the guy runs? Would you get out of your car?
No. I wouldn't do that. I'm a girl.
What do you mean you're a
I don't-
girl?
I don't have the strength to do that.
You know, all the girls over here gonna get defensive.
No, I'm just saying I'm a girl. Like I know I don't have the strength to do that.
I hear you.
Maybe some other girls do, but then I'm just saying, for me personally,
Yeah.
one, I don't want to get hurt.
Yeah,
I don't want to get bruised. I don't want to get nothing broken.
but you're good at minding your own business too.
Well, I mean, I'll call 911 if they need backup, but the guy already got, I'm sure he's got backup on the way, but I wouldn't do it.
No, I hear
I've
you.
put myself in those situations before, and it's not safe for me.
No, I hear
Like
you.
I've done it where when people have stalled their cars, like at a gas station, like I will go and help. Like if they're pushing the car, I'll try going and push. But you never know. Like people might like
It could be a scam and they
It
could
be a
rob you.
scam, yeah. So
Yeah.
I'm always careful because like I'm very wary about like scammers and people doing that. So because of that, I'm just careful about like not trying to get hurt.
No, I got you. You know, and at the end day, Jenna just bought this Squid Games sweater.
I can't feel my arms right now. Like
She loves it to death, and she was like, "I want to show off my Squid Games sweater without telling people." You know, say you like Squid Games without saying you like Squid Games.
No, we got our buddy, our family.
Our family, yeah, they opened up a shop.
Their shop in Auburn, California, and so Alex surprised me with this, and so really we just want to make sure that
Hell yeah! Shout out to my family.
I'm letting our family, our Elvis, know that hey, I got it, I love it, and like congratulations on
Hell yeah!
his grand opening yesterday. So
Jim, Elvis, I love you guys. You guys are my brothers. Yeah, but
Squid Games. But dude, wait. You sure it wasn't automatic?
I'm on beach.